In 2009, my wife and I started Sacramento Laundry.
We started in coin-op laundries, and from there we took a leap and opened up Sacramento Laundry Company at a smaller location.
We found that there was a need in the hospitality industry for a commercial laundry. We started with 7 employees and 1 truck. By 2013, we had 200 employees and 7 trucks. We're operating from Sacramento to San Francisco. We have over 28 hotels that we service 7 days a week, 365 days a year. Someone once told me that I wasn't a laundry, but I was a trucking company. Having reliable trucks is a huge part of our laundry business.
When we went to the facility, they knew their volume was going to double from what they were currently doing, and they could not meet the demand of their customers with the current situation that they had with their regular vehicles. And that's how they decided to lease with Ryder, because we provided a solution that would help their business meet their customer demands.
That helped us make a decision to say, hey, owning trucks isn't necessarily cost effective, but leasing them fit right into our business. Having a lease program like Ryder offers has taken a lot of the responsibility of maintaining a fleet of trucks off of my shoulders. If we have a vehicle breakdown, I can call Ryder, even if it's after hours, and have them provide us with a replacement truck. In addition to that, it's allowed us to know what we're going to pay every month in terms of transportation costs, and that helps us manage our business. We continue to rent trucks with Ryder because we have a large fluctuation of volume of business depending on the season, and as that volume increases, we can turn to Ryder and rent trucks. Whether it's at 8 p.m. or 1 a.m. in the morning, Ryder's there to provide a truck for us.
We love working with Ryder.